spill the tea. Let me give y'all the tea because I feel like I've been my forehead is mad shiny though. Hair fuzzy from the hat. Okay, so as you all saw, I am back at... Hey everybody, ARMYPrinncess here and welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time watching me, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now so you can become part of our platoon and part of our journey. We have just arrived, well not just arrived. Last night we arrived at our new duty assignment. Most of y'all already know what it is, or know where it is I should say, but I'm gonna officially name it later in the video because I know people been trying to guess. So if you have a last guess, go ahead and put it down in the comment section right now. But I just wanted to start this video by letting y'all know that we had a pretty rough Christmas. When I say rough. I'm still coughing, still getting over COVID. So our whole family had COVID. Gavin's still not feeling well. Giselle and Gabriel are in the PX right now eating. I had to go get a new uniform. We have a lot to do. Like, we're going to look at the new house today. I'm super duper excited. We are now currently living in an Airbnb because we are homeless. We have no home. It's cheaper than getting a hotel. The kids have their own room. We got a full kitchen where we can cook. So we are living in an Airbnb for the next 3 weeks. What was that? What was that, Papa? I think I'm gonna make this a week in a life vlog. Just like all the stuff we going through this week. I have to sign into my unit this week. Just a lot going on. So y'all know I'm gonna carry y'all with me. Come on. Okay, stop what you're doing right now, y'all. Go ahead and pause for the cause and hit that subscribe button. Your girl is trying to reach her goal of 50K this year, and I'm gonna need y'all help. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button now. Help me reach this 50K in 2021. And while you at it, go ahead and support. Shop the brand at ARMYPrinncess.com. I sell military cosmetics. We have officially made it to our next duty station, but y'all know me, need a new uniform because I can't show up looking crusty. Put some respect on my name. So we're in here to get a new uniform. So that's what I'm gonna do this morning. Get me a new uniform so I can have the first day of work. So if anybody is ever wondering how much the uniform costs, this is $50 for the pants, and I think it's like same $50 for the tops. These are the females, so let's find mine. So I always try to try on different ones because I never remember the size I wear. But they come in short, regular, and long. And this one might be too small. What do you think?
Kind of impressive.
So I think I found the ones I want, which is the
Good to go?
The 31.
Okay. Cool. We in here.
Thanks, sweetie, for helping me.
You know, that's what we do. You know what I mean?
Happy Wednesday, y'all. It is officially Wednesday. I am signing into my unit tonight. Y'all, I'm really not this is gonna be a whole separate video, but I'm really just not looking forward. Like, I hate to like be Debbie Downer, and I always try to come on here with the military motivation. I'm just not in the mood. Like, you know how you just be on leave or you just be on vacation and it's just you not ready to go back. And on top of that, like, this unit, y'all, it is what you make out of it. You have to find the silver lining and everything. So I gotta pump myself up tonight. But tonight I'm going to sign in, and so tomorrow will be my official first day getting into the unit. So I will take y'all with me. But right now, your girl finna go get these nails done. Get my nails done, get my toes done, because the toes is looking rough. I ain't even gonna lie. I'm dead wrong for my toes looking the way they looking. Like, I'm dead wrong. I should have been got my toes done. But today is the day. I think I'm gonna go with these ones. They are very, very, very comfortable and lightweight. These were the other ones, but they're kind of heavy. Look how thick it is here. It's kind of heavy. 154, and the other ones is 164. They got all those on the wall. I think I found the ones. I think I'm gonna go with the light ones. The ones, yeah, they're real light. I like those. I like these ones. Yeah.
See the ARMYPrinncess in the next couple of days, man.
Okay. Y'all, today, Gabby went to daycare for the first time, and I'm so sad because I can't check on him. His other daycare had an app where I could check on him and watch him, and the teachers put on the stuff that he was doing all day with pictures. Here, I don't have nothing. I'm just going off of faith. And my poor little baby ain't able to tell me how his day was. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to see it. Hey, little baby with the little legs.
Can you get off this job?
No,
Who says no?
I can't. I missed him today. We are in the brand new house. Y'all, look at the house. Look at the house. We just picked up the kids, and so we came over here to the house, and they left the doors open. So we came in here. It's so pretty. I'm super duper excited. Look at all the windows. This is my favorite thing, this light, y'all. This light. I have to give y'all an official, like, empty house tour walkthrough, like, in the daytime once it's, like, cleaned up because the floors is nasty. But this looks so nice in here. It's so pretty. I'm super duper excited.
Okay, let's all run down and 3,
Go ahead, Papa.
2, run.
Go! Run into the house. Y'all, I want a Tesla so bad. If you got a Tesla, let me know in the comment section, y'all. I really want a Tesla. Or if you, like, know anybody that have one, if you got any Tesla news, tips, let me know below. So right now, I know this vlog is like all over the place. That's why it's just gonna go on and be a week. Ooh, let me get this good parking spot. Hold on. Bam, right here in the front. So that's why it's gonna be a week in my life, because not much goes on all day, like day to day. Well, not much goes on in a day for me to like vlog every day. Like when I was moving and we were moving out the house, then it was like stuff going on. But now we in an Airbnb and really, like, I just go to the stores all day. Tomorrow I sign into my unit. Oh, I'm not looking forward to that. But I'm at Walmart because Giselle's teacher sent home her school supplies list. So there's some things that she needs for school, and so I'm gonna get that stuff. I just signed into my unit. I should have took y'all with me, but I'm over it already. I ain't even got to the unit, but I'm over it. But I'm gonna go into Walmart. I'll probably talk to y'all in the morning, because y'all, we gotta talk. We have to talk about how I'm feeling about this unit, about me going to this unit. So stay tuned for that. But let me go on Walmart, and I'll see y'all in the morning. All right, y'all. It is officially my first day walking in. Y'all know I can't walk and talk on my phone, so let me get on in the building so somebody see me. Okay, y'all. So let me spill the tea. Let me give y'all the tea because I feel like I've been my forehead is mad shiny though. Hair fuzzy from the hat. Okay, so as you all saw, I am back at Fort Gordon. Yes, Fort Gordon, Georgia, the place where we came from to go to Virginia, to go to Fort Belvoir. The Army brought me back, and that's a whole different story. I know I didn't officially let you all know where I was going up until now, but I'm here in Fort Gordon, Georgia. If anybody at Fort Gordon, holla at me, because this is a training base. So a lot of the AIT babies that watch my channel come through here, so I might do a meet and greet here at some point. But I have a little more in processing to do today, and it is only like 9:30, and then I'm gonna be done for today. So what I did this morning with my S1, my HR people, is sign up for 10 days of permissive TDY. And what that does is give you 10 days to look for housing, search for housing, figure out like stuff with kids and school and all that stuff. Now we got here early, a few days early, and y'all saw us do a lot of that earlier this week. But normally people get here and then they give them the 10 days to, you know, get their life together before they start in processing. So let me go in here, do this little bit of in processing that I have to do for today. Then we are going to lunch with some of our friends that are stationed here that we kept in contact with. Wait, I just want to say they come bearing gifts. Look, the gifts. The gifts. I was just saying, like, we going back to our little family in Augusta. And then they come with gifts.
And this another topper though for that. So if you want to switch them out, because we got to get with the diva side. Okay.
Oh, I saw people with these. Oh, I thought that was so cute too. I was like,
No, your diva, so you need.
Oh, you got a little crown on your joint.
these. I was like, I want a little.
You're so...
This just made my day right here. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Don't hate.
I'm a little salty. I ain't get no gifts, bro. Look what I got. Look what
You got a whole head shaking.
I just...
In here looking for dresses for the ball. So I have to go to a ball next Saturday, and I have no dress. I'm dressless. Trying to figure out what color I want. Put it in the comment section what color dress you think I should get. I've already worn silver and white. This is pretty, but I want some with some color. All right, y'all, so I think I found the dress. For some reason I've been migrating towards green, and I find clothes that jump out at me. Like when I see them, I'm like, oh my god, I have to have that. Normally if I don't feel like that, I don't really get it, or if I get it, it's like but especially with dresses, like statement pieces, I want it to, when I look at it, I want it to be like, I need that. So for some reason I migrated toward this one, and I like it because it has the sleeves and it has the mermaid tail, and it's like the design is so pretty, but more so for the sleeves because I'm always cold, so that's perfect for me. But I'm gonna look around a little more. But I like it, y'all. I like it. It's $109, but it's so pretty. Yes. Hello, Papa. Me and Papa here in the mall. Gabriel was with us, but he had to go look for a suit because I got my dress. So he's looking for a suit for his to match my dress. we both have a ball that we go, a fraternity ball. Is it a fraternity? Yeah, so the fraternity is having a ball next weekend, and we're gonna go to that. But of course, all of our stuff is packed up, so I didn't have anything. So dress shopping. Of course, we had to bring him with me because the daycare is closed. Y'all, I've been looking for other daycares, on the hunt for other daycares, because I do not like their daycare that they go to. It'll be for another school, so I am looking for the next best thing. But pretty much today, that's it. That's all we had to do was go dress shopping. I'm going to take him back for a nap and then do some stuff around the house. Why you don't want to take a nap? Don't you with your mouth open. Hurry up and eat your pizza. Lately, when we say the NAP word, it puts him in an uproar. So, but he gonna go back and take a NAP.
Okay. Today I'm gonna do a magic trick with this pencil to stand up all by itself. Let's see.
Oh my goodness! How did she do that? Gavin, how did she do that? Okay, Giselle. Can you lift it up? Wow! You did it, girl! Okay, but you can't tell them the secret, okay?
I will not tell you the secret.
Okay.
You guys did so well during our move. Go ahead, open it up, buddy.
Let's see. Whoa!
Wow, Gavin, let me see what you get, Gavin.
My stuff.
Woo! Giselle has a bath set. Her own bath set.
Can I drink it?
Yes, you want to drink out of it?
Yeah.
Say yes, Daddy.
Yes, Daddy.
That's
still fun.
You wanted a toy, sweetie?
No. Yeah, I did, but
I'm sorry.
it's okay.
I wanted to get you something that you like you can have like mommy. You have your own lotion, your own soap. Yeah, it has look. It has.
Does it have face up? Does it have face up?
So it has hand cream, it has body wash and lotion. Oh, face soap? Next time I get you some face soap, okay, baby?
Can
And-
you get water in it so I can drink it?
Come here, sweetie. You're so appreciative and sweet. Come here.
Did you know that even though you didn't give me the right things?
And I love you because that's a big girl. Thank you.
Hey, if you want to see more videos like this, then make sure you hit that subscribe button. Like, what are you waiting on? Go now.